Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to sign email documents. First, identify the document type you need to sign. Common formats include PDF and Microsoft Word files. Next, determine if the document requires a legally binding digital signature or a simple graphical signature. Some platforms offer built-in tools for basic signing, while others necessitate third-party applications. Understanding these initial distinctions is key to choosing the right method for your specific needs. This foundational step ensures a smooth and effective signing process from the start. Several methods exist for adding your signature to an email document, each offering different levels of security and convenience. A simple approach involves typing your name or inserting an image of your handwritten signature. For more secure, legally recognized options, digital signature software creates a unique, encrypted seal. Many online services now allow you to draw your signature directly on screen, which is then embedded into the document. Choosing the right method depends on the document's importance and the required level of authentication. Many popular email clients, like Outlook and Gmail, provide straightforward ways to insert signature images or text. You can often access an Insert Signature option within the Compose window or through a dedicated settings menu. For attached PDF files, some email client extensions or built-in viewers allow for simple annotation, including drawing your signature with a mouse or trackpad. After signing, always review the document to ensure the signature is correctly placed and visible. This method offers quick solutions for less formal documents. For documents requiring higher security or legal compliance, online signature services are invaluable. Platforms such as Adobe Acrobat Sign or DocuSign offer robust features, including encryption and identity verification. You typically upload your document to their secure website, where you can then add your signature using various tools, including drawing it or uploading a pre-saved image. These services often provide a certificate of completion, which is a vital record for important agreements. They simplify complex signing workflows considerably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.